Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your coin battery of your smart key on your Smart ForTwo. It's a smart key for your smart. That's awesome, isn't it? Yes, it is. Let's go. Here you can see this is the remote key of your Smart ForTwo. And the battery is empty, so there isn't bad battery inside. We can replace that by using two screwdrivers. We will need one screwdriver to open the key and the other to lift it up after we open it. So let's remove the screw, and for that, turning anti-clockwise using a suitable sized Phillips screwdriver and put in a safe place because it's a tiny little screw. Take care of that little screw. We will need it later again. After this, we have unlocked the key. Now, inside a suitable tool, like a flat screwdriver or a coin too, into the opening of the key. Turn the tool until the battery tray cover opens. When doing so, do not hold the cover shut. Lift it up and do this gentle, because maybe if you are too hard with that key, buddy, it can hurt a little bit, and then you have to replace it. That's not good. So you can see we are now open the lid. There you can see this is the electronic plate. It's a chip. This chip contains your electronic remote functions. Now we are going to remove the battery. Insert the screwdriver on the right side. This is the open area, and lift up your coin battery a little bit. Yeah, bend it a little bit. Take care of the plastic, three plastic holding covers while you're now removing the battery. There is a coin battery. Now we remove it. Yeah, that's good. Now we will need a brand new CR2016 3-volt cell battery. That's it is. Here is the new one. Maybe you buy a good one because the not so expensive coin batteries has no long lifetime. It should be a lithium battery, CR2016 in 3-volt power supply. Now, you have to look where is the positive and the negative pole of your battery. The positive pole is the flat area on the bottom side of the battery. This area you have, or this area is that the upper area. Now, insert the new battery with a positive terminal facing upwards. Using a lint-free cloth to do so. Make sure that the surface of the battery is free from lint, grease, and all other forms of contamination. It's a little bit tricky, and take care of the clothing lids, the three, which holding the battery in position. Bend them a little bit, only a little bit bend them, and then push in the battery, the coin battery as well. You can see, job's done. Awesome. That's good job, isn't it? Yes, the new battery is attached. Yeah, and nothing is broken. Okay, now we are ready to reattach everything or reassemble the battery coin holder system with the chip system. But first, clean it a little bit. It's important to clean your battery before using. Now, insert the tray cover into the housing and press to close it. You have to look that this metal plates are facing with the board itself, maybe you bend them a little bit more upward, and then you can be sure that there will be in focus on the board itself. Now push it back in position. Check the ceiling, that there is no dirt or other debris, etc. And then it's time to close the lid again. Push it and take it back in position. The job's done nearly. The only thing we have to perform now is, get the screw back in position, tightening it gently. And then the battery is installed and your smart key is ready to go back to your Smart ForTwo, and then you can start the engine again and open and close it. Yeah, that's good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.